Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate in Bambu Studio. So the quickest option is that we select an object, for example. So let me split those two objects. So like that. Now, what you can do is just simply Control C and Control V, and we have duplicated our objects. Now, on Mac, you will use CMD-C and CMD-V, but we have also other option. So we can click on our model, select it, and then right-click on it and select Clone from pop-up menu, or you can just press Control key on your keyboard. Now, what you need to do is you will type in the number of duplicates you want. So let's say 2. And click OK. And just like that, we have now 2 more objects, as you can see. And yeah, this is basically how you can do that. Also, the third option is select model, right click on it, and then you will select, if you have here uh, this option, fill bed with copies. So if you click on that, you will get as many as you can these objects here in this plate. And this is basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the